Hi, I'm Sabir. In this video, we are going to learn some important phrasal verbs which are most frequently used in native English. Let's start. Our first phrasal verb is pep up. Pep up. Pep up means to make something or somebody more interesting or full of energy. To make something or somebody more interesting or full of energy. For example, the chef peps up meals by adding Italian spices. The fresh air will pep Elon up. Number 2. Hush up. Hush up. Hush up means to hide information. To hide information. When you hide information about a situation because you don't want other people to know about it, you can use the phrasal verb hush up. For example, I know Carl has hushed up the whole affair. You can hush things up about their fight. Number 3. Prey on or prey upon. Prey on or prey upon. Prey on means to hunt another animal for food. To hunt another animal for food. For example, the hunters prey on deer. The second meaning of phrasal verb prey on is to harm someone who is weaker than you. To harm someone who is weaker than you. For example, the criminal preys on the child, breaking his arm. The third meaning of prey on is to make use of someone in a dishonest way. To make use of someone in a dishonest way. When a person makes a dishonest use of someone to get what he wants, then we can use prey on. For example, some politicians have been preying on homeless voters. They are preying on old people living alone. Number 4. Key to. Key to. The phrasal verb key to means to make somebody something suitable for a particular purpose. To make somebody something suitable for a particular purpose. For example, the rooms are keyed to the needs of employees. They are keyed to work in trading. Number 5. Iron out. Iron out. The phrasal verb iron out has two meanings which are most frequently used in native English. The first one is to remove creases or folds. To remove creases or folds. When you remove creases or folds from clothes or something else by using an iron, you can use the phrasal verb iron out. For example, she is ironing out the clothes for the party. The second meaning of iron out is to get rid of any problem or difficulty. To get rid of any problem or difficulty. For example, we need to iron out unemployment to stop crimes on streets. Number 6. Hand around or hand round. Hand around or hand round. Hand around means to offer or pass something. To offer or pass something. When you pass or offer something, especially food or drinks to all the people in a group, you can use hand around. For example, I handed round the drinks to my friends. Number 7. Dole out. Dole out. Dole out means to give out an amount of food, money, etc. To give out an amount of food, money, etc. Dole out is used when you give out an amount of money, food, or something else to a member of people in a group. For example, we dole the food packets out to the poor kids. Our next phrasal verb is stump up. Stump up. Stump up means To pay money for something. To pay money for something. For example, who is going to stump up for pizza? He asked us to stump up for the car. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.